Hi everybody, welcome to our new video. We really appreciate that you're here, and thanks for your support. Please don't forget to subscribe. That's something I have to remind you all the time, because the more subscriptions we have, the more motivation we get to have more we get motivation to do more videos for you guys, and that's a kind of a support you can give to us. Also, you can click the notification button so that we get you get notifications whenever we do upload a new video. We do videos on almost most of the topics under programming. We cover Python. We just added it on this year late. I think we have just a month adding this. We've been dealing with a couple of languages, Java and stuff like, and also we've been dealing with two operating systems, which is Linux and Windows. We've been covering all versions of Windows from XP to Windows 10, and also Linux we've been covering Ubuntu and much of Linux, Kali. Okay, that's good. We haven't touched much on what Linux Mint, but most times when we do things in Linux one version, it could be the same in another version. Also Windows sometimes almost is the same. So now we want to know, you want to know if you have Django on your machine. So Django, Django works with Linux with what we call Python. So you want to be a Python developer, and now you want to check if your development environment is really okay. So the first thing to do is to set up your development environment to start dealing with any language. So now we're going to go to your terminal and check if you have Python. In the first place, you must check if you have Python before you check if you have Django. So here I guess you can see here, I guess that's very clear. So I'm gonna advise you to become sudo su, and on Linux you say sudo su. In AIX you can say sudo su dash. So now here we say enter. They're gonna ask us for our password. Okay, that's fine. We logged in 100%. So there are two things to do. First, if you know that you have pipe, which is PIP, you can use a simple command to see if you have Django. So but now in most cases, some people want to know, if you show you have what they call Python already, and you 100% you have it, you have it, you can, and you want to know if you have Django, you can run this. Then I'm gonna give you also other commands to check if you have Python. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna say sudo, which we are already, sudo pip. If you have this pip, then say freeze. Okay, when you say freeze, what is gonna show, and it's gonna show you every component version including Django. So this gonna help you, show you even a lot of things. So I'm gonna say enter. Once I enter, the command sometimes takes some time to display what you're looking for. Now you can see this is the list, whereby you're gonna pass through one by one and see if you have a couple of things we have. So I think you saw some of the things. I don't know them, some of them I know. So but now since we're looking for Django, we have to go down on D. You can see we have D, which is Django. You can see, scroll down and see if you can see D. When you have D, then you can see you have Django, and also it tells us that we have Django here, and the version is 2.2.16. okay, right. Now that is done. So now you wanna see if you have the current version I wonder if it matters to you, but if it does matter, you got to go to Google, and I'm gonna say Google and say .com. Then I'm gonna ask myself, do I have Django? And which Django version is the latest? Okay, what is the latest Django version? So you click here and you say option 1, get latest official whatever. Oh, version is 3.1. okay, so now it simply means we have something which is a little bit older, but let me see, let me go back, Google. So but it doesn't matter as long as it's compatible with your Linux, with your what they call Python. We're gonna say, so if you have Django already, you have Python. So I'm gonna say that's what what is the latest Django version. So okay, we're gonna see here, and it simply means it could be 3 points. You can see how to get Django. Okay, they say available source under the SDB. Okay, latest version of Python is 3. The latest version of support Python is 2.7. Django 1.1, ls whatever, then Python whatever. So I want to get really what the latest official version is. Okay, option latest official version. Official version is 3.1.2. Release note, this is installed with PIP. Okay, that is good. So now I believe that is 100% fine. So you can see we are sitting on 2.2.16, and also they say that we have the version which is 3.1.2. okay, since you have that, I think you can find ways on how to do what, how to update or upgrade your Django, because if you don't want this version, you can get the latest version. So this is the only thing I wanted to know, that I have that. So if you don't find Django, then you have to install using PIP, and I believe that helps, guys. We want to check also what they call Python down. Okay, if you saw that, go under P and see if you can see Python PY Python O RST gonna get ST. That's good. Now we can see that there is Python here, Python default det whatever something 2.28 point whatever. Python, this is Python. Yeah, okay, Python. There's a lot of things here. Okay, so we 100% that we also have Python. So if you want to work with Django you have now, it's okay. But if you want to look into a newer version, also it's fine. It's all up to you. So now we've showed you how to check which version of Django you have. Also, you have seen that you know that you have already also what they call, you have Python. So some people can use just a simple command to check Python only, but anyway, we gave you a general command to check a lot of things. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and please don't forget to do what, to subscribe on our channel. And I can see I can give you something like a bonus stuff, whereby you can use this command also to check something small, simple. Please let me get into here. I wonder if this gonna go to the end or it never finish. I can say new tab, and I say sudo su, you know, you use sudo su, say enter, and after entering you can do that command and say Python _ version. We're sitting on 2.7.1.8, okay, 0.18. so that's the version of Python. That's the way you check the version of Python. There are many ways of checking Python, but this is the way we've showed you. You can use that in Kali Linux and get the version you're using. I wonder if you would like to upgrade or update to the latest Python. It's fine, or it's up to you. That's the end of our tutorial. Let me close it here, and guys, see you in the next video. I hope everything's fine. See you, and have a nice day. Okay.